mga taping natin, pag nag-aano tayo, we bond through music, we listen to a lot of music, and she's a wonderful musician. Magaling po siyang guitarista, right?
Yes!
Actually, may mga album, may album ka ba? Or singles?
I can't remember it anymore.
Wow! Ay, masyado kong masaya. Ay, actually, nag-bond kami.
May bonding tayo
May bonding kami. May bonding kami.
Pinag-uusapan nila ng mga love life palagi.
Oo.
Tapos lagi kami pinabalo. Tapos, Miss A, may mag-leave ka na.
Oo nga, pero siya, sa kanya nangyari. Oo. Hindi, siya po ang nabudi. Ako medyo luhaan. But I'm happy for you always.
I'm always happy for you.
Yeah. So let's do this number. Actually, mga panahon nito. We're bonding over Olivia Dean songs.
Oh, akala ko, Olivia Lamasan.
Hindi, Olivia Newton-John. Ano ba?
Olivia Rodrigo.
Itan ko yun. No, we have something in common, and that's our love for music, and this artist we love so much. So we're gonna give you Olivia Dean.
I could be the twist, I wanna make you stop. But icing on the cake, cherry on the top. There's heaven in my heart, and we can find some space. I could be the world to you, doesn't need the extra 7 minutes of any down the street. Some people make it hard, but me that isn't the case. 'Cause I think it's so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call, and we fall into us. I'm a perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life, and one with a heart would agree. And it's so easy to fall in love with the way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way you like to share a walk in Central Park. I could be the share, be the good of your dreams. There's no need to hide it, you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night it'll turn into me, but I'm done seeing, 'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call, and we fall into us. I'm a perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life, and one with a heart with a dream. And it's so easy to fall in love with you.
Thank you so much, Marisa. Ladies and gentlemen. You owe me dinner. Thank you. Another hand for Marisa.
Love you, baby girl.
Okay. So, I'm blessed tonight, not just one, but two Terry daughters. Here's another beautiful Terry daughter of mine. She's my Rachel. She became my Caroline. And now she is your Belle Mariano.
Hi! Hello, everyone! Hi,
So pretty.
Grabe, thank you so much for having me
Of course.
here.
Thank you for saying yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I wish you all the happiness in the world.
Aww.
I love you, I love you, I love you. You guys will sing with us tonight, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
You know the song?
Sayo ulit po kayo. Looks like we're making up for last night. Need you to spell it out for me. Lost it over on all night. It's like the type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come and start writing. to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. Yeah!
Thank you so much. Ano daw birthday wish mo sa akin?
Ay, alam niyo po, si Miss A, nakatrabaho ko siya since probinsyano.
Yeah, she was a little girl.
Yes.
Kasama niya palagi ang mommy niya.
Yes, that's true. And
Yeah.
I'm so happy. You know, sobrang saya ng set every time she's there.
Ang kulit mo nga, kasi I found pictures na nilalaro mo sa cellphone ko. Sabi niya, ikaw, ako kinukunan mo sarili mo. Tapos sabi ko, ay,
Makalina ka ang bata.
Balikot.
And then we did Can't Buy Me Love
Yeah.
together. And you know, she's really a happy person. Sobrang sarap niya katrabaho. And sana lahat ng happiness na binibigay mo sa amin lahat, bumalik sa'yo. Miss A.
Aw, thank
You
you so
deserve all the
much.
love. And we just wish you all here a happy birthday.
Oh, that means so much to me, Beth. Thank you. I
Thank
appreciate
you.
your coming here and celebrating a birthday. And singing for all of us.
Of course, di ba from acting, now we're singing on stage together.
Concert ka nga, nag-concert ka.
Pero grabe, thank you so much.
Thank you. Another hand for Belle Mariano, guys. Thank you so much, Belle. I love you. Thank you.